Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in South Carolina. This is useful anytime a vehicle changes owners, like when you buy it, sell it, or give it as a gift, because it makes the ownership update official and keeps your paperwork clean. So to start, open a browser and look up transfer a car title in South Carolina. So from the results, choose the official SCDMV page that ends in .gov, then scan the instructions so you know what documents that you need. So now gather your paperwork. So first is the vehicle title. So make sure it's completed and signed correctly for the transfer. The title should also include the sale price and the odometer reading on the back. If those details aren't written on the title, you'll need a separate bill of sale. That bill of sale should list the full sale price minus any trade-in amount, and it must include the buyer's signature. Next, complete the title application, which is the SCDMV Form 400. If you don't have a South Carolina driver's license or state ID, include the Statement of Vehicle Operation form, which is the TI0006. After that, be ready to pay the title transfer fee. And if the infrastructure maintenance fee applies, you'll need to cover that as well, since it's based on the vehicle's sale price. So once everything is filled out, bring your documents to any SCDMV branch. Take the signed title form 400, the bill of sale if you needed one, and proof that you're paying the required fees. If you plan to drive the vehicle, you can also handle registration during the same visit, since title and registration can be done together. So after the office reviews and approves your paperwork, they'll update the vehicle record and issue the new title. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.